Artificial intelligence. It's the new electricity. It's the buzzword in every boardroom, the engine behind your Netflix recommendations, and the mysterious ghost in your smartphone. We have models now that can write code, analyze data, and even create art. But because AI is so powerful and its inner workings are such a black box, it's become a perfect screen for us to project our hopes and fears onto. We tend to picture one of two things: a benevolent God in a box that solves all our problems, or a red-eyed Terminator waiting to delete us. The truth is far more nuanced. So, let's cut through the fog. Today, we are going to debunk the 10 biggest myths about what AI actually is and what it isn't. Let's start with the biggest one, the myth of the mind. There is a pervasive belief that AI is waking up, that it has feelings or consciousness. It's easy to believe this when a chatbot responds to you with perfect empathy. But here is the reality. There's no who on the other side of the screen. You are interacting with a large language model, or what researchers call a stochastic parrot. It hasn't learned what love or sadness feels like. It has simply ingested the entire internet and learned the mathematical patterns of how humans write about love and sadness. It is essentially the world's most expensive autocomplete. It predicts the next word based on statistics, not a soul. This leads us to the second myth, the one AI fallacy. We talk about the AI as if it's a single entity, like HAL 9000. But that's like saying the engine is a single thing. The AI that beats a grandmaster at chess cannot write a poem, and the AI that drives a car can't paint a picture. We have narrow intelligence. We are nowhere near general intelligence, or a machine that can think across any domain like a human. Now, let's address the scary one, the Terminator scenario. The myth is that AI will become evil and hate us. But the real risk isn't malice, it's indifference. AI researchers use a thought experiment called the paperclip maximizer. Imagine a super powerful AI told to make as many paperclips as possible. It doesn't hate humans, but it might realize that humans are made of atoms that could be turned into paperclips. It would destroy us, not because it's cruel, but because we are in the way of its goal. The danger isn't an evil robot. It's a competent machine with poorly defined goals. So, if it doesn't kill us, will it take our jobs? That's myth number 4. The fear is total replacement. But history shows us that technology usually transforms jobs rather than erasing them. Think about the spreadsheet. It didn't kill accounting. It freed accountants from manual arithmetic so they could focus on strategy. AI is an augmentation tool. It handles the grunt work. But we still need humans for empathy, strategy, and ethical judgment. Speaking of ethics, we have to talk about the perfect logic myth. People assume that because AI is math, it's unbiased. This is dangerous. AI is trained on human data, and human history is full of bias. If you train a hiring AI on 50 years of data from a company that predominantly hired men for leadership roles, the AI will identify being a man as a pattern of success. It doesn't know fairness. It only knows patterns. If the input is biased, the output will be biased. This connects to myth number 6, the idea that AI understands things. It doesn't. If you ask an AI the capital of France, it doesn't know what a capital or a country is. It just knows that, statistically, the word Paris usually follows capital of France. This is why they hallucinate. They can confidently make up facts because the sentence structure looks right, even if the information is wrong. Myth number 7 is that the revolution is happening overnight. You'll hear people say AI will solve climate change next year, but AI is incredibly brittle. A self-driving car can navigate a highway, but crash because of a plastic bag. This is Moravec's paradox. Hard things like calculus are easy for AI. But easy things like common sense or folding laundry are incredibly hard. Then there is the creative argument. Myth 8 says AI kills creativity because it just plagiarizes. While it's true that AI remixes existing data, that is also how human creativity works. We blend our influences. AI can generate 1,000 ideas in a minute. It's not a replacement for the human artist. It's a strange, powerful new co-pilot that can help us break through creative blocks. Myth number 9 is that this is only for big tech. It used to be true that you needed a billion-dollar data center to play. Not anymore. Open source models mean anyone can run powerful AI on their laptop. It's becoming a utility, like electricity, accessible to startups and students, not just Google and Microsoft. Finally, myth number 10. The dumb user. The fear is that AI will make us stupid, just like Socrates feared writing would destroy our memories. But AI doesn't make us dumb. It shifts the skills we value. It offloads the what, summarizing reports, checking code, so we can focus on the why. It frees us to think at a higher level. So the next time you see a headline about a robot apocalypse or a savior machine, remember, AI is just a tool. It's a mirror that reflects our own intelligence and our own flaws back at us. To read daily fact-based articles, head over to www.blog and don't forget to visit our Zentara blog YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe or follow this podcast on Spotify for daily episodes that will expand your minds.